Hi guys, Dominic here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're excited to introduce you to our newest listing here at 4250 North Marine, Unit 322, otherwise known as Imperial Towers. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, great views from this corner unit just looking over the treetops and the parks. But before we take you inside to show you this updated unit, we want to show you the amenities of the building. You got an outdoor pool, a sun deck, you got grills and chairs, you actually even have gardens. So much to show. And we're stopped from the lake, jogging past, walking past 2 different beaches, shopping, dining, nightlife, and more. You guys ready to check it out? Have a safe flight, everybody.